What's up YouTube friends and family, welcome back. Today we're going to be working with some Born Pretty products. I wanted to give you an update on my girlfriend's nails that I did about a month ago. I posted the video a couple weeks ago I think, or a few weeks ago, I'm not sure. But I'll leave the video of her original set in the description box down below, as well as it tagged in the comment section so it's easy for everybody to find. We did have some issues with her nails this time around as well as the first time around, and it doesn't have anything to do with the product, I don't think. I think it has to do with the nail tips, so we'll get into it when we get there. But I've already soaked her nails off and prepped her nails, so now I'm just going in with the nail prep and dehydrant, all that good stuff. So if you noticed, on her one hand her one nail was missing, and on her thumb the actual full cover nail that we had applied popped off, so it was like all the glitter and everything was gone, and then it was just kind of matted underneath. I don't know what happened. She works with bleach, she does a lot of cleaning. This is my friend that builds greenhouses. She does all kinds of different things, like she is that girl. So when her nails come back, I don't expect them to look very good, and you know, it's just the way it is. But the fact that she still has every other nail on is really good, so I'm really impressed about that, because besides my in-law, she's like one of the hardest people I work on. That's really rough with their hands. I actually have another girlfriend who's super rough with her hands. Like, although I would take it as a challenge now to do her nails and see how long they last, because when I first ever did her nails, I was just learning and practicing, and like, girl, I was charging like $20 just to practice and just pay for my supplies, like cover what I was using kind of thing. And she would still give me more than what it was even worth. It was crazy, you know, just like, oh my god. And the nails would just pop right off, and she'd come back again and pay, and I'm just like, girl, like, you don't have to pay for this. This is ridiculous. You know what I mean? But that's why I love my friends, because they've always been so supportive of me no matter what I do. By the way, the little mini light I'm using you can find on the Born Pretty website, and I do have a discount code with Born Pretty, so you can check it out. It'll be in the description box down below. So here's where we run into some problems. As you can see, all the full cover nails I applied just came right off like nothing. And this happened to me last time I did her nails with the Aurora set, but only some came off, some didn't, so that was like really strange to me. But this time they all came off. So, and the nails that I was using, they claim that they're pre-etched already, so that's strange. I'll have to do some troubleshooting on this situation because I really want to get to the bottom of this. But yeah, I'm just going over all her nails, and I'm just roughing up the extension gel because I'm going to go over that. I'm going to use it kind of like a protectant layer, like a base coat. And I'm going to use these medium soft gel nails with the Born Pretty holographic silver beautiful gel. So gorgeous. We're going to try this out and see how it works. This is actually one of the things that I love doing, is troubleshooting. I love figuring things out and finding ways to fix things. So this is a really good situation for me. I'm really hoping that this set lasts for her, and if not, then we're gonna really figure this out, you guys, because I don't know what the heck is going on with these nails separating. I might have to do some extra prep work on the nails themselves on the inside. Maybe give them an extra etch and put some primer and, you know, stuff like that on the nail to give them some extra bond. We'll see. I'm not 100% sure yet what's going on, but we're going to figure it out. At the end of the day, girl, we're going to figure it out. So at this point, the nails on the last nail tips that I just did were popping off, and I could feel them popping off as I was filing, so it's not happening with these nail tips. So I'll leave the link with these nail tips down below, and they're already pre-etched, and it clearly shows that they're pre-etched, and they are soft gel tips. These are a medium soft gel nail. I'm just going to go over her nails and take off any excess gel that may have spilt out or any lumps or bumps, and just smooth out the nail completely, make sure it's flush from the cuticle, and then I'm going to start my design. So I have a couple cuticle oils that I've been using lately that I absolutely love, that my friend sent over to me last year. I'll leave all her information in the description box. She makes these herself. All her oils are GMO free, high quality, sweet almond, vitamin E, coconut, and all these promote nail growth and strong healthy nails while softening the cuticle. So I just wanted to say thank you to her for sending me these. They have beautiful gold flakes in them. Like, girl, you did yourself. Let me know your thoughts and comments on the final look of her set. Let me know if you'd wear a set like this. I have polygel videos coming and some Kawaii sets, so stay tuned. Some sculpting of polygel, so stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed and put on that notification bell, girl. Shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers, and until next time, I'll see you in the next one.